Hi, my name is Harry. Today I'd like to talk about this week meditation topic, me who thinks I am right. Well, definitely I was the person who always tried to prove that how right I am, how good I am, how nice I am. Through this meditation, I had an opportunity to look back on myself and I realized that it's all stem from my inferiority, like my childhood experiences. Like I grew up with a very strict father. He always tried to correct me and my brothers, like don't do this, don't do that way. Because of that, I always had a self-doubt. I'm not doing good enough. Being so watchful, like what other people think. Even in school, always trying to get a validation from other people. And then I always wanted to prove that I'm right, I'm doing right. When somebody's trying to criticize me, I always afraid and avoid. Like I don't want to deal with any criticism. My whole life was just like that. I always trying to prove that I'm right because I want to cover up my weakness, like my inferiority. What if I'm doing wrong? What if I'm not right? What if I make a mistake? After discarding all those false images of myself, like inferior me, what I have found is my true self and the true love within. And I start to have a really good relationship with myself. Like I start to stop judging myself, like how good I am or how bad I am. I just always reflect on myself if I'm doing properly, like what I'm doing, what I'm supposed to do, without worrying about what other people evaluate me. I'm really thankful to this meditation method. This meditation enables me to look back on myself and being able to let go that false me. I'm able to just be myself and move on, and while having really healthy relationship with myself. And that way I'm able to be better with other people. Thank you for watching this video.